Hi friends! In this video, I'll show you how to add GIF to Shopify product and its description page with two simple methods. This works for product descriptions, the homepage, or anywhere in your Shopify store where you want to display an animated image. Method 1. Using the Shopify text editor with a GIF link. Search for the kindest GIF you need in Google. Let me do for my product of iPhone case. If your GIF is already hosted online, like on Giphy or Imgur, you can add it directly with just the link. Here's how. First, go to the GIF you want to use, right-click, and select Copy Image Address. Make sure the link ends with .gif. Next, log into your Shopify admin, go to Products, All Products, and open the product you want to edit. In the product description box, place your cursor where you want the GIF to appear. Click the Insert Image button, paste the GIF link into the dialog box, and click Insert. Finally, save your product. Now your Shopify product description with GIF is live, and customers can see the animation instantly. Method 2. Uploading GIF to Shopify files. If you want the GIF hosted directly on Shopify, which is more reliable and loads faster, use this method. From your Shopify admin, go to Contents, Files. Upload your GIF file. Shopify will then give you a direct link. Copy that link, go back to your product description editor, and click Insert Image. Paste the copied file URL, insert it, and save your changes. This ensures your GIF is stored inside Shopify itself, so it won't break if the external link ever changes. Both of these methods work perfectly for adding GIFs not only to product descriptions, but also to your Shopify homepage or other sections. And that's it. Now you know how to add GIFs to Shopify product pages and descriptions using both an external GIF link and the Shopify file upload method. If this helped you, then please like the video and subscribe our channel.